Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing the assets. Pick a web-friendly image and a destination URL. Once uploaded, copy the image URL and draft a short, meaningful alt attribute. Now choose your insertion method. HTML gives full control, Markdown is faster for docs, and many CMS editors have a built-in link field. Make sure you know whether the link should open in the same tab or a new one. That choice affects later attributes and accessibility notes, so decide it before coding. Next, you implement the link. Wrap your image tag with an anchor element and include the href. Once done, add attributes like loading equals lazy for performance and explicit width/height to avoid layout shift. If opening externally, include target equals blank and rel equals nupener nor furrer to protect users. For responsiveness, provide src set and sizes or use CSS such as max width, 100% and display, block to avoid inline gaps. Make sure to include alt text or an finish by testing the linked image across devices and browsers. Click, tap, and tab to it, and confirm screen readers announce the purpose. Once done, verify analytics capture the click and that link targets behave as expected. If the image isn't clickable, inspect for overlays, z-index conflicts, or CSS pointer events. None, resolving those usually restores interactivity. A quick troubleshooting tip. Temporarily add a visible border or outline to the anchor to reveal hidden overlays that block clicks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.